Hello? It's coffee time once again. Where you guys been? You didn't come around to yesterday. I waited and waited. I didn't see you guys. Where the hell were you? Oh, okay. You were busy. Uh, well, I guess we all get busy at times, right? I guess that's okay, right? It's okay to get busy, right? So, how y'all doing today? Yeah? Well, my topic today is kind of a surprising one. Thank God, I'm not complaining. But is the storm, the ice storm that was, and then was not. Yes, that's what I said. The wind started blowing, it started getting nasty, and then it must have just went away because today it's like the snow's gone, no ice. I mean, I'm not complaining. You don't see that a lot in Maine. Okay. So I'm not gonna talk too long here because I got some video to show you. I figured you guys would want to take a look. Alright? So I'm gonna roll on to the video. I know you guys are busy, you got things to do. I'm trying. Stop talking to me. I'm trying to go so you can do your things, okay? I'll talk to you later. This is Eddie G here. How you doing? It's pretty windy still. And that was at Plymouth store last night. You heard the wind, you couldn't really hear me, so I only gave you a short piece of it. Because I wouldn't want to listen to all that, you know. But anyways, that was at Plymouth store last night. So, if you ever, man, stop at Plymouth store. So this is today. And this is it out now. Kinda odd turn of events, ain't it? You wouldn't think it would end up like this. And this month we usually have a lot of snow. It's windy still, but it's fairly warm and most of the snow's gone. Kinda messed up, ain't it? Can you guys believe that? I'm like shocked because I'm not complaining. It's fine. I'm happy. It wasn't snow or ice or anything. But it's just surprising. Because Maine, in this time of year, Maine, you don't usually get that. You get lots of snow usually and wind. So it's really shocking to see this. For me, anyways. You don't see it a lot of years. I mean, once in a while, but not a lot. You know? So, alright. So, all you T's, take care of yourself. Do something nice for everybody every day. And the person that requested a coffee time, you got your coffee time! I love you all. Remember, try to be a good person. Try to do something nice for each other each day. I know, when none of us are perfect. Love you all. You have a good day. Bye.